Ringing in the New Year.
Minnie and Jamie are organizing a New Year's Eve party at their place.
How many people can we invite?
I'd say 10. If we have any more, we might bother our neighbors.
It's New Year's Eve. No one cares.
You're right, but let's try to keep it around 10.
Okay. Do you think we should get balloons? I'd rather we didn't.
Really? Is it because everyone pops them? If so, we need other stuff for decoration.
How about confetti, streamers, and party blowers?
Yes, let's get all three. I think we need some party hats too. They are very cheap and our friends love to dress up and take pictures.
What about food and drinks?
Let's get some champagne and finger food for the guests. If they want anything else, they can bring it themselves.
Perfect. At 11:30, we can go on the roof and get ready to watch the fireworks.
That will be great. I love watching fireworks explode around Taipei 101. It looks magical.
It's one of the best displays in the world, and we only live 1 block away.